YouTube, how's it going? Scorteezy once again. Got Lucina right behind me. Oh, and you know, I got the hood open. You know what that means? Next mod coming right up. I'm filming with the, the camera phone, Samsung Galaxy S8, and I definitely missed my GoPro, but as you saw in the last video, very unfortunate. But today, nothing but good news. We're gonna go ahead and install JLT cold air intake. And if you guys like what you're seeing, follow along, like, subscribe, drop any comments in the comment section below, and let me know what you guys want to see with Lucina. As I build her up into the beast she is. So, part of the process is we're gonna go ahead and take all this good stuff off so we can install the JLT cold air intake. What I'm about to do is go ahead and show you how it sounds right now, without the cold air intake, so you guys can hear the difference between the stock and the actual JLT one. So let's get it cracking. All right, I got the car on. Now what I'm about to do is give it a couple revs so you guys can hear a little bit of how she sounds. Caught that, and I hope it sounded good for what it is. Now I'm gonna go ahead and get everything unboxed, and we're gonna start the setup. Here's the filter, and my god, it's massive. Then we got two parts right here, heat shield, and now we just need to get it installed. But first thing is we got to get this bad boy removed. I got the instructions right there as well, for the extra help. And let's get this started. Gotta hold this clamp down in order to pull it out, the sensor. Otherwise, you just can't just pull it out. Take this bad boy off too. Stuck on tight. And you guys can see it right here. I'm sorry. Catch can. Oil catch can. We did our best trying to get this snug fit in here. This shit is super fucking tight though. All right, my dudes, as you guys notice, I got this bad boy off. The air box almost off. It's just stuck to this PCV line, and it's super snug. It's super fucking tight. I fucking can't take that shit off, but I'm gonna try again. Let's see how it goes. All right, my dudes, is off. So I couldn't unclamp it from the air box. I took it straight off from here, kind of scraped it a little bit right there with a flathead. That's okay, no problems there. And you know what? Maximum air right there. I think I might just leave it like that, to be honest. Psych, just kidding. All right, now let's go ahead and get the JLT exhaust. I'm sorry, cold air intake installed. Let's get it. Yeah. Ahí voy. Alright, we got the heat shield installed and that took a minute, a long ass minute. Alright, update time. I was over here struggling with this shit, trying to plug this bug in. And whew, man, good thing y'all didn't see that. Shit was super fucking tight. But on to the next step here. All right, 2 thumbs up. This is looking fucking good. Oh my god. I know I'm not having an orgasm, guys. I'm just fucking trying to get this shit done. Trying to make sure everything's snug, it's fit, everything looks good. The JLT branding doesn't need to show. You know what? Fuck it. The snugger, the better to me. It would be nice for it to show, but. So let's go ahead and clamp down the air filter. So yeah, she's just looking sick. Extra nice. Make sure when you're attaching all the hardware back on, all the sensors, that it's a snug fit. You know, you don't want any codes. You know, I fucking put that shit right in there. You know, as far as it can go. Now I'm gonna go ahead and connect it right there, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tighten this. Let everybody know this is JLT. You know, none of that mumbo jumbo stuff. You know, then at the end of the day, you know, it's cold air intake. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'm no expert at installing cold air intake, but judging by the picture, I'm pretty sure this is all that it goes. You know what I mean? I don't think it goes, you know, the whole, this portion of it. I don't think that goes in. I'm pretty sure it doesn't go inside of there. And I always have trouble fitting it in back into the engine. Like, what the fuck? Look at that shit right there and right there for my old catch can. Like, these fucking tubes are no joke. They're fucking hella tight. So I'm figuring that it's gonna be the exact same shit right here. And I just, you know, gotta tighten this one up a little bit more, just snug it in there. Boom, there you have it. JLT cold air intake. Make sure everything's super snug. You know, double check your work, triple check your work. Simple install, but I mean, just gotta make sure. The only thing I'm questioning is this part right here, how it sticks out a little bit, but we'll find out. And but other than that, she looks nice. I'm about to install the 5.7 cover over it. I checked the catch can earlier and it's working. And let me go ahead and start up the whip, get a couple revs in, and see how she sounds. All right, that's the new engine bay. And it actually fixed itself as soon as I put the cover on, so that's a good sign. This is on here. Got it on super snug. Like this, it actually looks good. The red with the blue, the light red. All right. All right, so I'm setting the phone down, and let's see if hopefully I can find a good spot for it. Set it down right here. You know, hopefully she doesn't fall, but I'm setting her right here, and let's see how she sounds. Did y'all hear that shit? Sounded like a vacuum. Straight up, makes a difference. 100% makes a fucking difference. I know sometimes it's a little hotter, the engine bay. You know, the whole point of it's cold air intake, supposed to be cold. I'll see how it runs, of course, because I had a Hellcat X airbox in my scat pack, so I was able to see because it was a Challenger. I never actually ran a true cold air intake, you know, especially with the straight from the throttle body. Maybe just I've always seen people with just you know, with just a filter on their vehicles, but not the actual running from the throttle body. And damn, I could hear it from inside the car. Sick. I'll keep an eye on the air temperatures and keep you guys updated, but for right now, she looks good. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, leave any comments in the comment section down below. Just know that I have big things planned starting next year, and this is just the beginning. So keep an eye on Blue Cena. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.